Hey there, thanks for clicking. Today on HISD Now, we're celebrating a major milestone for Coach Greg Wise of Jack Yates High School. Also, lots more to celebrate because the school is turning 100. Plus, a powerful news story from Smith Elementary and how one student truly found his voice in another language. We're also having a CTE night this week, a teacher information meeting, and important info for you on school choice and pre-K. It is Tuesday, February 10th. Well, big congrats are in order for Coach Greg Wise of Jack Yates High School. Now, we recently shared with you how Coach Wise reached an incredible milestone, his 1,000th career win. We just uploaded a brand new full story on Coach Wise, highlighting his journey, his players, and the community that's helped shape his career. Tap on the title banner that just popped up on your screen to watch his story. And this milestone comes as Jack Yates High School celebrates a century of excellence. The school is turning 100 years old, and we published a special Centennial story on the HISD Now webpage. It's a powerful look at Yates' history, its deep roots in Houston's 3rd Ward, and the generations who've built the Lion legacy. I'm dropping a link to the article right below. I'm also sharing a news story from Smith Elementary today, our campus close-up school this week. Now, I spent time with 5th grader Carlos Montefer, a student whose energy is truly contagious. So Carlos tells me he started school speaking only Spanish. Now, he's fluent in English and excelling in math and reading.
I'm very good at math.
Why do you like math?
Math because some questions are simple and difficult, and I like questions that are difficult, but I don't like kids who screen the answers.
Oh,
because they just ruin the problem.
Yeah.
And I want to solve them. It gives me more exciting.
Carlos also tells me how he's so excited and can't wait to see what middle school has in store. His story is brand new on the channel. Tap that title banner right there in the upper right-hand corner to watch it. I'm also dropping a link for you right below. And stories like Carlos's reflect what Smith Elementary is all about, a positive school community with a strong focus on high-quality instruction, parent connection, and helping every student succeed. Tomorrow on HISD Now, I'm talking to reading teacher Amy Carroll, who's been at Smith for more than 20 years. And she's sharing with me how she's building a love of reading in students and is helping to set a foundation for lifelong learners. The story drops tomorrow, so be sure to subscribe, to the channel. Well, this week we're giving HISD families the chance to learn more about career and technical education. We're hosting a CTE Community Engagement Night over at the Barbara Jordan Career Center. Now, this event is spotlighting biomanufacturing, one of Houston's fastest growing career fields. It's happening this Thursday evening, and families with elementary, middle, and high school students are all welcome to attend. We've got this flyer and more information up on our Facebook page. Our pre-K teams are getting ready to kick off the first of several upcoming pre-K festivals. Remember, HISD offers full-day pre-K for eligible 3- and 4-year-olds. If that's your family, this is for you. At these festivals, families can get application support, meet campus leaders, and enjoy music, games, giveaways, and much more. The first festival is happening Saturday, February 21st at Wheatley High School. Take a look, because if you can't make it, more dates are right there. Just look for this flyer on our social media pages and be sure to save one of those dates. Remember, pre-K families have until April 17th to submit their application. And for families of K through 12 students, the deadline for school choice phase 1 applications is right around the corner on February 27th. Families will then find out in April if they received their choice. If not, they'll be able to take part in phase 2. And we'll also be hosting a school choice fair for phase 2 families on April 11th at Madison High School. If you'd like to review all of this at your own pace, visit schoolchoice.houstonisd.org. You'll find the applications, timelines, and all the other resources that you'll need. If you're thinking about becoming a teacher in HISD, be sure to join us tomorrow for one of our weekly virtual teacher recruitment information sessions. We'll cover certification pathways, tips on the selection process, information on H-1B visas for international candidates, and a closer look at HISD teacher benefits. The session runs from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. on Microsoft Teams. Registration is required, and I'm going to drop a link for you in the video description right below. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.